Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get ChatGPT Plus free trial. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your web browser and go to ChatGPT. Once the website loads, sign in using your OpenAI account. If you do not already have an account, you can create one directly from the login page before continuing. After signing in, you will arrive at the main ChatGPT dashboard. Look around the interface for an upgrade button or subscription option, which is usually located near the sidebar or account section. Clicking this option will open the available subscription plans and upgrade information for ChatGPT Plus. If OpenAI is currently offering a free trial for new users, you may see a banner, promotional message, or special note mentioning the trial offer. Free trials are not always available and may only appear during specific promotional periods or for eligible accounts. If you see the offer, click the option to start the free trial and continue through the setup process. During activation, you may be asked to enter payment information even though the trial itself is free. This is typically required so the subscription can continue automatically after the trial ends unless you cancel it beforehand. While using the trial, you can access the premium features included with ChatGPT Plus. If you decide that you do not want to continue after the trial period, make sure to cancel the subscription before the renewal date to avoid automatic charges. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get ChatGPT Plus free trial. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.